Is it say or say? Hello, this is Clay from thejapanshop.com. Now, sometimes kanji have many readings.
Oh no!
And that's fine as long as it's different enough to differentiate between different words. But sometimes there are characters like this one.
Oh no!
It can have a short say reading or a long say reading. The other day I had a brain fart. It was embarrassing. Now I saw two very common words, seikai and seiki. But I couldn't remember in my head, was it seikai or seiki or seiki or seiki? In other words, was the reading long or short? Now to fix this horrible situation, I decided to put together a list of words with this kanji in it. Maybe this will help clear up the long and short of it. First, let's review a list of the words that have the long sei reading.
世紀世紀中世中世二世二世救世主救世主
Now, there aren't very many of these long say words, so it might be a good idea to just memorize this list and then just assume everything else is short. And speaking of which, here are the short words.
世界世界世代世代世帯世帯世話世話出世出世お世辞お世辞世間世間
Of course, there are many more, but these are probably the most common. And by the way, I created a PDF with MP3 files, sound files of this lesson, and the download link is found in the description below. This was just a very simple and short lesson, but I hope it clears up some confusion. And until next time, this is Clay. Bye.